the very good people of Gusau, Saife Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I am from Zamfara State, where farming is our pride. Mr. Speaker, here with me, I have a petition received from the newly recruited academic and non-academic staff of the Federal University Gusau, Zamfara State. Mr. Speaker, this petition is seeking the intervention of this Honorable House to intervene and investigate the wrongful, fallacious, and wrongfully sacking the academic and non-academic staffs of the university, over 500 of them. Mr. Speaker, all the due process was adopted during the recruitment exercise. But very unfortunate, the reasons only best known to the BC, I can say it like that, and the council of the university, they released a notice board circular quashing out the recruitment exercise without giving any cogent reasons. No proper communication between the sacking staff and the council of the university. Mr. Speaker, I want this Honorable House to intervene and investigate this matter, as many of the recruiter staffs, they were from my constituents. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleague, I seek for your permission to allow me lay this petition before this Honorable House. Thank you.